welcome back to another video. So today I am gonna be making a new account. I'm just gonna play without me out. Yeah, that's normal. And yep, as you can see clearly in the title, I'm gonna try to get a shadow dragon. Since I want one. And let's begin. Okay, so first up, we're gonna make a new account. Log out. Wait, I'm not gonna skip this. Okay, so I created the account, guys, and it's called Zero Pets to Shadow Dragon. Yep. Oh my eyes burn. Because the dark mode, blah blah blah. I'm gonna turn on dark mode. Oh, this is the one I want. Dark. Okay, this looks very, very nice. Zero Pets to Shadow Dragon. Oh yeah, I forgot to add my email stuff to whenever I want to transfer. Oh, never mind. I'll just do that. I'll just get one of my phones. What is this? This is what? I do adopt me because the pet me I don't want. Yeah, I'm gonna. Oh, I meant to. Oh my. Please, I don't want to get copyright strike. Yep. Anyways, also don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. And yep. Pick your favorite. Oh my, pick your favorite color. Purple. I picked purple. I am gonna stay out. Big, you will look beautiful. Thanks, bro. I don't want to make it feel like home. I'm gonna turn off the music now. Okay, now I'm gonna finish this tutorial. Teleport to the pet shop. Oh, we're not pet nursery. Actually, right where we started adopting. That's so weird. I'm jumping. Give me it. Thank you. I'm gonna hatch this now. Actually, guys, I forgot to do this. I'm gonna be saying. What do I do? Trying to get a shadow dragon right now. You can give me one. Collecting unwanted toys or pets. What should I do? Okay. Yes! Okay. Let's hatch it now. Okay, guys, this person gave me a free parakeet. I think they're not gonna accept, but yeah. Oh my gosh, TY. Actually, I'm not gonna trade it. What? I don't know. But I almost hatched my egg. And yeah. Oh yeah. Oh man, a cat. needs to be an update. Update with this for like starters. But the thing that's mostly changed is the house. I'm not. What the name him? No! Wait, I think I got a name for this. Hanako. That's good. Anyways. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna go. Now, let's trade Hanako. We don't need you anymore, Hanako. We only needed you for once. You're only one use. Ah! What does she say? Oh! Trading cat. Oh, I'm gonna skip to the part where I get a finally trade. I got this trade. I got this dog for a teen dog. I think I should make a neon dog. Yeah, I'm gonna. Tiwa, I'm gonna walk away. No trade backs. Okay, yeah, actually, I'll do trade backs. I'm gonna go to the nursery. Never mind. I'll earn. Yes. Jessica haircut. That sounded like Spanish. Wait, hold up. Oops. Let's turn off that. And that is fair, I think. Okay, so let's. Oh, this is new. Does anybody like notice this? Because I'm noticing something. This says "Adopt Me" toys available now. Guys, look for like these lights. They kind of had an update, like some ads, something. Yeah. But let's go to the place that will help me like always. This place will kind of help me out a little. Oh yeah, I forgot to. Yeah, this place. This is where I get my trading license. Kind of helps me out a little. Just if you're asking, like, yeah, this helps me out. Okay, let's go. You should talk to the person before we I don't need a tutorial. Bye bye. I don't want to talk. That Agent out. I gotta talk to you. Ooh, do you like Yes, sir. If you do, I'll give you my dragon. A dragon. A dragon has less value. Oh, but you really? I wouldn't do that trade. A giraffe for a dragon, that's a lose, big lose. lose, I think. This is a scam, obviously. Who would even trust that? Who would trust maybe you know that? Oh, that's easy. It's a scam. One trade or two? Two trades. I'll immediately decline that because that's a scam. Okay. How would I? That's a scam, bro. That's a safe. For free? Yeah, I have an extra. You're gonna trade you're gonna trade the other dog's sibling? No, I mean, no way. Someone. Okay. I wish there was like a trading lobby something. Let's go trade some stuff. I actually get money. Hey guys, okay, so I got $350 now, and guess what I did while I was waiting? Washing my hands. It won't let me. Also, we can walk through glass now. How amazing! How amazing day in school. We can walk through Anyways, let's go buy a cracked egg and trade it for better pets. Wow! I don't need you. Cracks egg. Cracked egg. Okay, I'm gonna skip this. Hey, you got a trade. It wasn't that bad. It didn't take me a while. It only took me like 1 minute. Another. She's gonna decline this trade now. It's always. I accidentally. Let's see if she confirms. Yep, told ya! It's gonna take me like 5 minutes. Or less, like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. That's what you got? You got like, yeah, I guess. I'll go over here. It's uncommon, but it's like, you know, I'll try to collect many pets as I can. And they're not gonna be not for trade for a while. But once I get enough pets, like 10, I'll trade them. Or even 18 random pets, I'll trade them for a legendary or ultra rare or whatever from ultra rare. And first up, I'm gonna be planning to make a dog, as I said in the beginning. Like, yeah. So I'm gonna decide to go to a Sunny X Misty server, but it's gonna take me a while. I don't care. But before that, I'm gonna decide to customize my avatar. And I'm gonna pick black ponytail. And I'm gonna change my skin color. I don't wanna stay gray forever. And yes, but I'm gonna change, you know, this thing like that. A neon. It's like lampin, you know, lampin yung like that thing you put in your back, but you know, I think it's called a band. I don't know, this thing over here on my neck. I'm gonna change the skin color of this, and look, I'm gonna keep it red for now. Or purple. Yep, I'm gonna keep it purple. Wait, I'll make it all that. And this looks not normal. I'll change it to a purple panda. Switch clothes to pizza. Oh no! That actually made a mess. Yep. This is just right. I'm just gonna wear this. I'll use that for now. I don't know. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yep. No way! Headless is back! Ah! Oh. Excuse me? Anyways, guys, let's begin the video again. Okay, guys, so I made up my decision. I'm gonna trade the parakeet for a ultra rare. No way, someone's in the zone. I think I found arcade. Persian cat! Oh my gosh, Persian cat. Hi! Let's see if you accept this trade. You! Decline. That's fair, I think. Plus, that's the same pet I'm gonna trade for, like, named Mango. That's the same pet. Let's find a good trader. I think I finally found a trade. Ah! I'm not really sure about the trade. Yep. Okay, guys, so I think I'm gonna be ending this video right now because I haven't got any offers for it, and I'm kind of getting tired. And yes, I'm gonna log out of this account, and I'm gonna log in my Lil 48 account. So I hope you guys totally enjoyed this video, and also don't forget to like and subscribe. So bye bye.